how's it going? So we're going to draw the Einiosaurus from Jurassic World. Let's get started. We're going to go right here, and we're going to go pull out right here, down, because that's one of the most unique things about this dinosaur, is this horn aiming downward. Line over here. Out over here the front, down, up, line down over here for the rest of the mouth right here, and pull up. This is a ceratopsian, so it looks very similar to Triceratops. Line over here. Down right there, that's going to be the top of the brow, which the brow always covers what? It covers the eye. Line over here for the eye. Curve. The pupil and iris right there. A nostril. Line down over here, and it's going to roll right into that crest. That the ceratopsians have. All right. Line over here, bottom of the jaw up. Big cheekbone, the way most of those Triceratops type dinosaurs have. Up over here. Down. And curve down over here, up over there. So you have that crest. And it has two prongs over here, two pretty long horns back there. And then the rest of it is going to be these small little spikes along the crest. A very potato chip-like shape on that crest right there. Line down here. Maybe a line right here for like the tip of like a bit of a horn sticking out of the cheek there, but not always. All right. And let's go over here and find the body. Downward right there for lower portion of the body. Going to be over here. It's kind of turning away from us, so down. Over here, down. Line down for the leg right there. We're finding him. It's kind of more or less like a front view, right? Downward right here. Line over here now. Down. Downward right here. Downward right here. Downward right here. Back right there with a foot. Let's go over here, the hind leg. Or the hind leg on the front, at least. Dinosaurs are probably one of my favorite things to do. If there's a dinosaur that you don't see on the channel, or maybe even one you do see on the channel, but maybe it's like an older one, like maybe the drawing I did was way back, tell me. And I'll maybe do another lesson on it, or I'll do a lesson on it, because I'm always looking for new dinosaurs to do it on. Line right there. And now we're going to the hind legs over here. It's going to go a little bit off the page. Down here. Up like so. Off the page over here. And you can maybe get a little bit of the leg over here on this side. Out. Right here. And then over here on the other side of the leg. Basically, that's the hind leg over there. So we have our general body type now, right? And what you can do from here is you want to like give it some scales, because That's kind of, you know, gonna give it that oomph. Before you do that, let's do maybe some patches of color. Something like so, almost like something dropped on them, like droplets. So line up over here. So now let's do the curve, little 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 curve. Line over here. Fill this out. Filling it down there to have the darkness right there to kind of give the face some focus. It's obviously like the shadow that's going on right there. You can throw a little bit of that right here as well. A little bit of shadow toward the bottom. Remember, if the light's coming from above, the shadow's going to be below. That's the general rule. So always try to remember that when you do that. Line over here. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, 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 curve. Drawing these little curves all over the place to give that illusion of texture. You're not putting it every single place, but you're just picking your spots and then putting it in that area. There we go. Line over here. Again, maybe along the leg on this side, along the legs over here. It's kind of like, I would say a good way to think about it would be like putting pepper on food. All right, it's not like tons of it. Okay, line over here. Let me see. And I want the mouth to look a little bit more 3D, so it's almost like we're looking up into his mouth and he's turning his head. I want it to look like that. Line over here. Like so. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. And maybe a couple of lines toward the top right there. See how that kind of comes together? Anyways, that's it. I want you to stay right here. We're going to start another drawing lesson right now. If you did like this video, please share it. It helps out a lot, helps the channel out a lot. Hit the like, do anything that you can. And that's it. Let's get started on the next drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.